For machining defined radii and free-form surfaces while maintaining high surface quality, the traditional technique is to use ball-nosed slot drills. Due to the short engagement length of the slot drill, the line spacing is very small, therefore the process is very time-consuming. The new GARANT Parabolic Performance Cutting, PPC for short, represents a revolutionary new development for machining free-form surfaces. The ground circular segment on the PPC cutter, designated the effective radius RW, affects the engagement area on the workpiece. The larger the effective radius, the larger the line skip when machining. Due to the large line skip, the machining time is reduced substantially. Productivity increases enormously. For the user, faster machining means significantly less tool wear combined with better surface quality. Thus, subsequent polishing work is minimized or even entirely superfluous. The advantages of PPC milling can also be proven mathematically. For a cutter diameter of D equals 12 mm and a defined roughness, say RTH equals 2.5 micrometers, the following formula allows calculation of the resulting line skip, BR. In the case of PPC milling, R is RW, that is, the effective radius of the circular segment. In our example, this would give a line skip of 0.35 mm for the ball nose slot drill. And for the PPC cutter, a line skip of 3.17 mm. Thus, the PPC process allows a line skip BR 9 times greater than a ball nose slot drill for the same surface quality of the workpiece. Rearranging the formula to calculate the roughness for a predefined line skip shows that PPC milling can deliver a roughness value about 80 times better than can be achieved by use of conventional ball nose slot drills. Because of their curved form, PPC cutters are also referred to as barrel milling cutters. Based on their shapes, we distinguish here between straight, tangential, and conical barrel milling cutters. Thanks to their geometry, straight barrel milling cutters are intended for general-purpose use and are characterized by their high cost-effectiveness and high-performance coating. The 5 unequally spaced cutting edges ensure a particularly smooth cutting action when machining. It's particularly suitable for freely accessible surfaces without obstructions, and can even be used on 3-axis machines. For tangential and conical barrel milling cutters, the end face geometry is designed so that the chips, especially those formed by the end radius, are of optimum shape and have optimum evacuation characteristics. For this purpose, the number of cutting edges on the end face is reduced. Tangential barrel milling cutters are characterized by their special end face geometry and long length cutting edges, which are ideal for initial preparation and for deep cavities. The main application for conical barrel milling cutters is on large areas and areas with obstructions, as well as the 4 cutting edge version for general purpose use, identified by a green ring. There is a further version available for even faster machining processes. This is the 6 cutting edge version with a blue ring, which is particularly suitable for machining stainless steel, titanium, and nickel-based alloys. The main application areas of PPC milling cutters are effective finishing operations of complex components in machine tool building, complicated geometries such as the manufacture of turbines, or tool and die and mold making. PPC tools are also used where very high-quality surface finishes are required, such as on components for medical technology. The efficient use of PPC tools requires the use of suitable CAD/CAM software which can process the tool geometry in the data model. GARANT Parabolic Performance Cutting stands for highest surface quality and at the same time enormously reduced process times. Move to it now.